Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Bev. Karibuni sana. If you're new here, very welcome. Please consider subscribing. If you're a returning viewer, I hope you have subscribed by now, or if not, please consider subscribing. And yeah, let's get into the video. So there's a last week, the video that I uploaded last week was a section of it that I didn't upload because I felt like it was going to be too long, so nikawachana nayo, a section of some of the things that I got from Miniso. I feel like most of my videos include, like, I have to have bought something, which is very worrying because one of my goals for this year is to save more, not spend. And I think all of my videos just involve me buying something, but we're going to change. We're going to do more constructive. Even buying is constructive, but anyway, constructive, more reproductive things as opposed to shopping. Yeah. Anyway, so the video that I uploaded last time, there's a section I didn't put because I figured it would have been too long, so I'll just start with that section and then I'll continue with this one. So I recently got another new perfume bottle into my my perfume collection. I don't know if it is right for me to call it collection because it is still very small, but for the intent and purposes of being politically correct, we are going to call it a collection. It is a collection. I think a collection starts from 2. Anyway, so this is what I got. This is Black Orchid by Tom Ford. I'm one of those people who buys perfumes based on reviews online, and this one had a very nice review. So for my first perfume this year, this is what I got. I intend to at least buy 2 bottles of perfumes annually, so that I go on and build my collection. I have this. I think I did one of my videos, I unboxed this with you guys. I didn't like it as much. I don't know if it's a problem with my nose, my sense of smell. I really don't know, because whatever made me like it, after I bought a bigger bottle, it wasn't working for me as much as I've used it, because I didn't like it. I also have this Black Opium YSL. I've used this kidogo. Again, I think it's like I start using a perfume and it smells very good, and it lasts, but then after like 2-3 days I stop feeling it. Like, I can't smell it. Sometimes I think I end up over spraying myself because I can't feel it. But then now when I go outside, it chokes people. I don't know if it's me. I really like, that's a mystery for me. So I bought this, used it for some time, and then felt like it wasn't really performing the way I expected, so I kind of stopped. But since I bought this, I also felt the same way, but someone commented that they could feel it, so it's safe to say that I am the one who has a problem and not the perfumes. So yeah, so the ones that I'm targeting, let's say this year, if everything goes well, because perfumes are not very cheap, I'd want the, what is it called, Keali. There's Keali Vanilla 28, and then there's Libra Intense YSL. So those are the two that if I'm able to, I'll get them this year before the year ends. I heard that the Kayali and the Libra Intense, when you combine them, so that is what we want to try. If there is anyone out there who feels generous enough to get me a bottle, please do. Thank you in advance. Almost forgot. There's some things I got from Miniso, I think a couple of days ago. I got this cotton pads for applying the glycolic acid on my face. And is there anything else I use it for? Yeah, that's it, just applying the glycolic acid on my face and my underarms. So I got this. I threw out the receipt as usual. Like, I've given up on myself keeping receipts, so please give up. I also bought this. These ones are cleaning clothes. I think they're polyester. Oh, they're polyester. They're polyester. For some reason, I imagined they were not polyester. They were, what is it? This material that is very, very good for cleaning. I've forgotten the name. But yeah, I can't even remember how much this was. But these are 3 and then they're cute. Like, I think I bought them because they were cute. And the texture also is really, it's nice. So, for that, I got this for, for honey toothbrushes. I think I'm going to try and put this up today and insert a picture of how it looks like on the wall. I got this with the intentions of putting my makeup brushes here, which makes a lot of sense for me because ninaingizanga makeup brushes zangu. Okay, I don't like where I put my makeup brushes, so this makes a lot of sense. We're back now. So again, unfortunately, there's some things I got. There are a few things I got from Miniso again. Just a few. Some very nice hair clips. I also got this very beautiful number, but it's not 100% human. It's semi-human, and it was not pricey because I needed a wig. I removed my hair. Temporary locks that I had, I removed them like a week ago, so I needed something a bit easy to begin with without the pressure of actually having to go to the salon, having to think of what hairstyle to put on my head. I just wanted to ease into my hair easily, so I got this very cute number. It's actually very nice. I like it. From an Instagram shop in town. They're online and they also have a physical shop. Yeah, so I think I'll put them somewhere in the description box. I can't really remember their name right now, but I'll check and then I will share the details. Yeah, so I got some really cute hair clips from Miniso, courtesy of this purchase. It's really nice and it's golden, and I hope it's not going to chip. It does not look like something that can chip easily, rather, so I hope it's not gonna chip very fast. This was 400 and maybe 39, I can't quite remember. So I got this, and these are a pair. Yeah, very cute hair clips. They're really, really pretty. So yeah, these are the only things actually that I got from Miniso apart from the ones from the previous video. And also this, I felt like these toilet bowls, they are 6 and they were 239 or 59, which I still found a bit fair compared to what we get in the supermarket. So I figured, toilet blocks can only be toilet blocks. There's no big difference between this one and what we have available locally. So, and this one is cheaper, so I figured I could get this and try and see. Maybe the smell is different, I don't know. The performance, I don't know. We'll try and see. If it's good, I think I'll just be getting them from Miniso. Yeah, so these are the ones that I got from me. So I also got something from, this is a makeup organizer. You can decide to put it to organize your makeup or your bathroom, depending on what you want to organize. So I got this from, again, an Instagram page. I also got this. This is a hair dryer and styler. My reason for getting this was actually Ella, because sometimes I feel like I need to straighten up her hair before you plait it, but then of course she's a child. That whole blow dry noise, she cannot just stay still, and I think it's not, she's just scared of that sound. So I figured I can get this and try and use this one to straighten her hair. I hope it's not noisy. I really hope it's not noisy, because the whole essence of buying this was for Ella, because I already have a blow dry here. So let's just hope it's going to do what we hope it's supposed to do, and quietly. Also got this same page. This is called what? These are, what is it called? It's a soap dispenser, but a glass one, and it's really pretty. It's Nordic soap dispenser. It's, I think, 500 ml. This looks, it's really nice. My problem now is my Ella anafika kwa sink. She can grab this thing. I don't know how I'm going to, I don't know how I'm going to have and maintain this with her. I don't know, but I will figure something out anyway. I also got some shower gels from my Dawa. My Dawa they have sales. I think most often than not, they do have, at any given time, they have sales, discount sales, either of the two. So I've been eyeing these Olay body washes for some time. So, and I went to Chandarana to check the price of this, and they go for one, and the one is 650 ml. It goes for 2000 and something, at least 2000 and something. This, I got this too. I got Olay Fresh Outlast, the notes of birch water and lavender. Oh, and it smells really nice. Okay, I got this too. This is another one, age defying with vitamin E body wash. Again, 650 ml. At least nilikuja ndio vile niliweka. At least I've not thrown away the invoice. Yeah, I got this too for the original price. For the age defying one was 1500, and the water birch lavender was 1620. Now, including discount, I think it was maybe 20% off. And also the total amount was supposed to be 3120, but the discount came to 624. So the whole price for the two was 2151. Now nasikia Chandarana, they are selling one at 2000 and something. I mean, how is that not a steal? So and they actually thought of the expiry date, and the expiry date is 24th September 2024, meaning I have the whole of this year and next year. So I think I looked at what they have, and some of their varieties were out of stock. I got these two that more or less captured my curiosity, but if they restock on the other ones and I still get the same discount, I'm going to stock up on this, or at least not stock up per se, but just buy like different scents and see which one I like, and then from there we start obsessing on the one that we like. So yeah, this was really a steal if you ask me. Chandarana sells this one for 2000 and something one, and I got this for 2151. Mungu anisamehe, lakini when you get such good, very good discounts. I mean, how do you live? Yeah, so yeah, this also got those ones. I think that's it for the purchases for the past week. Let me open up this because I'm really excited. Since it came, I didn't open it up, so I don't even know how it looks like. You know that thing of people saying what I ordered versus what I got. I'm assuming, okay, it's exactly what I got, but you know, sometimes you need to, not even sometimes, most of the time you just need to open to believe that what you bought is exactly what you got. So let us open this together. I intend to organize the situation on my dresser. Looks cute. Oh, I don't know, it's metallic. Okay. So it was a 2-tire. Kind of huge. I didn't expect it to be this big. So there's this. I'm assuming this is supposed to be the lower pattern. Yeah, it's supposed to be like this. And then I've also seen some things. Oh, this is the other part where you're supposed to. Okay, this now makes sense. So just throw it inside. What am I supposed to do now? Okay. Seems like that one was for the lower part, and then this one was for the upper part. Now this makes sense. Doesn't it look pretty? Okay, this can work. At least it can remove the mess over there. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to place you guys somewhere and then try to do something about this whole mess. Part of also this organization video, I also did it last time, but again, because I figured it was going to be a long video, I just decided to cut that part out and include it in this one. So majorly this video is going to be an organization video. So let's get into it. used the cleaning rugs that I got from Miniso, and they were really easy to clean with, super absorbent and easy to clean them afterwards. Also wiped down some of the things that were on the dresser before putting them back. I also wiped down and emptied the dustbin. I didn't wipe the flower vase because I felt like it needed more time and attention. I also got myself the Estee Lauder foundation. I heard it has very good reviews and it's a good performer, so fingers crossed. That's it, guys. This is how my dresser looked like after I was done, and the 2-tire organizer really saved me a bit more space. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and see you guys in my next video. Ciao.